Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to talk about this beautiful plant called Peperomia. If you are looking for compact beautiful house plant with minimal care and low cost, Peperomia is the best. I am going to give some easy tips to grow and care this plant. Keep this plant in bright, indirect light. Direct sun burns the leaf of this plant. This plant also grows well in artificial light. So you can keep this plant in your living room, or if your room is dark where you can provide the artificial light, this plant is going to work. Peperomia needs plenty of air around its roots, so prepare a loose soil. Perlite mixed with peat moss, or you can mix peat moss with sand, will be the best for this plant. I've used 80% of leaf compost and 20% of perlite. You can use any well drainage pot. You can repot this plant after 1.5 years or 2 years, or whenever root comes out of the pot. Let the soil dry completely before watering. When you water it thoroughly so that the water comes out of the drainage hole. Do not water on leaves or stem. Overwatering causes yellowing of leaf and root and stem rotting. Propagation is done by leaves. You can get 2 plants from one leaf. You cut the leaf in the middle and bury this portion of the leaf in soil. So from this part you'll get 2 separate plants. You can propagate through stem also, or you can propagate by division also when you are repotting the plant. Springtime is ideal for propagating and repotting this plant. This plant require very less fertilizer, so you can use fertilizer once in 2 months during the growing period. Use dilute liquid fertilizer. This plant belongs to the rainforest of Brazil, so it likes humid environment. Keep the leaves of plant dry and provide good air circulation. You can provide with the humidity tray. You can buy this plant online or from nursery. When you buy the plant, always see plant is healthy and it is grown in good well drainage soil. As you see, the flower of this plant comes in stalk and it looks similar to rat tail. So this flower is also called the rat tail. This plant is known for its beautiful leaves, which may be sometimes green, sometimes red, or sometimes silver gray. There are different varieties of Peperomia. This is called Peperomia caprata. Friends, if you don't have this plant, you must get this plant to increase the beauty of your garden and home. This is it for today, friend. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.